Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and foolproof way to find your user ID in HubSpot. Whether you need it for integrations, troubleshooting, or working with HubSpot support, I'll guide you step by step so you can get it in just a few clicks. Stick around till the end, because I'll also explain why your user ID is so important. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the HubSpot website. Make sure you're on the official site to keep your account secure. Next, click the login button at the top right corner of the homepage, enter your email and password, then hit sign in. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. Now look for your profile icon or picture at the top of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu or navigate to your profile page. From the profile menu, find the account section and click on it. This is where HubSpot stores all your personal account details. Inside the account settings, scroll to find your user ID. This is a unique identifier assigned to your account, and it's crucial for multiple purposes. Why your user ID matters. Your user ID isn't just a random number. It helps HubSpot identify your actions and configurations within the platform. Assist with administrative tasks. Provide accurate support if you contact customer service. Configure integrations with other tools. Troubleshoot through technical issues effectively, and that's it. You now know exactly how to find your HubSpot user ID and why it's so important. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.